On today's episode, we're making the PPLN-026 handbag. It's got these cool oval handles, one exterior zip pocket, and it's lined. It also has a detachable shoulder strap, perfect gift for your lady, and it's relatively easy to sew. Without any further ado, let's get into it. So after you get your pattern from Etsy, first thing you're gonna do is download and print it, arrange it, and then cut it out. You'll see that each piece is labeled as to make it easy for you to use the pattern. I have information like how many of the piece to cut, where to place your folds, which pieces are supposed to be the lining and which pieces are supposed to be the filing. You're just gonna use these to help you cut out your pattern, and you're just gonna apply the filing like how I have done here.
Yeah. I've been in the dark too long, been far too gone. In the morning, the sunshine. In the morning, when the sun shines, I know we gon' be alright. In the morning, when the sun shines. In the morning, when the sun shines, I know we gon' be alright. In the morning, when the sun shines. In the morning, when the sun shines, I know we gon' be alright. In the morning, when the sun shines. In the morning, when the sun shines, I know we gon' be alright. In the morning, when the sun shines. In the morning, when the sun shines, I know we gon' be alright. In the morning, when the sun shines. In the morning, when the sun shines, I know we gon' be alright. In the morning, when the sun shines. In the morning, when the sun shines, I know we gon' be alright. In the morning, when the sun shines. In the morning, when the sun shines, I know we gon' be alright. In the morning, when the sun shines. In the morning, when the sun shines, I know we gon' be alright. I'm not picture perfect, but I'm still in the sun shines. Like both. I'm not picture perfect, but I'm still in the picture. My life ain't got no filters, but I'm willing to fix it. I'm not picture perfect, but I'm still in the picture. My life ain't got no filters, but I'm willing to fix it. I can't do this on my own, gotta need your assistance. Tired of living the guilt, shame.
Are you tired of complicated sewing patterns? Confusing written instructions that just boggle your brain? Do you wish you could get stylish yet simple to follow PDF sewing patterns? Well, at Papillon Society, we've got something just for you. Buy a beginner-friendly PDF sewing pattern from us and make something cool, following our simple and in-depth video instructions. And if you're a little bit more experienced than that, we've got something for you too. We got jacket patterns, tote bag patterns, cargo vests and puffer vests. We even have a few travel bag PDF patterns, which you can print out in the comfort of your own home. Prices starting from as low as $3.99 and sales coming in frequently. You really don't want to miss out. Here's some reviews from people who like the pattern. Here's some reviews from people who tried the pattern. Visit our online store and get yourself a pattern today. Happy sewing!
Disclaimer. Use Papillon sewing patterns responsibly. Side effects may include boosting confidence, closet burning down because the clothes are too fire, getting bombarded with compliments on the garments you made. Call your nearest fire department if your closet explodes. T's and C's apply. Papillon Society is not responsible for any damage caused.
Good. Stop tripping. You okay? I've been in the dark too long, far too cold. I've been in the dark too long, far too cold. I've been in the dark too long. I've been in the dark too long, far too cold. I've been in the dark too long. I've been in the dark too long, far too cold. I've been in the dark too cold.
It's chilly, nigga. I've been all my, I've been all my Kanye shit, Kanye shit.
I've been on my gay shit, cause I like a fake bitch, might just get some fake tits.
Yeah.
You just need a facelift, forget about a face beat. I've been on my yay shit. Might need a vacation, lay around like I've been on the late shit. Don't like to delay shit. Speak now if you're gonna say shit, yeah. Speak loud, I'm in outer space, bitch, face it. You been in the basement, I can walk outside right now and find your replacement. I don't even date, man. Don't ask about the date, man. It's your last days, man. Future looking bright. I'ma need a pair of Ray-Bans. I just did a rain dance. She's the booty and he became the rain man. I'm Barb. I didn't need to be a Drake fan. I'm already on the gay shit. I'm already on the gay shit.
I've been on my yay shit. I've been on my yay shit. I be on that yay shit. Yeah, I been on some yay shit. Yeah.
Young niggas in the trenches, trapping summer to the wind. Niggas tryna know my business, whipping whiskey in the kitchen. breaking bread like a lich, breaking bread like a lich. Young niggas in the trenches, trapping summer to the wind. Niggas tryna know my business, whipping whiskey in the kitchen, breaking bread like a lich. Young niggas in the trenches, trapping summer to the wind. Niggas tryna know my business, whipping whiskey in the kitchen, breaking bread like a lich, breaking bread like a lich. Young niggas in the trenches, trapping summer to the wind. Niggas tryna know my business, whipping whiskey in the kitchen, breaking bread like a lich. I talk so proud, they thought I grew up in the States. They say I couldn't make it, I showed them it was fate. Early mornings, I just wake up and I pray. I did some magic, niggas thought I was Charlie A. I've been so angsty, but now I'm getting all that cake. These preachers told me I was great. These niggas thought it was a mistake. Y'all niggas must be fake with all that hate. They got me laughing all up in your face. I've been the youngest out the trenches. Why these niggas, they be switching? Shit really been so lifted ever since I left your kitchens. Young niggas in the trenches, trapping summer to the wind. Niggas tryna know my business, whipping whiskey in the kitchen, breaking bread like a lich, breaking bread like a lich. Young niggas in the trenches, trapping summer to the wind. Niggas tryna know my business, whipping whiskey in the kitchen, breaking bread like a lich. Young niggas in the trenches, trapping summer to the wind. Niggas tryna know my business, whipping whiskey in the kitchen, breaking bread like a lich, breaking bread like a lich. Young niggas in the trenches, trapping summer to the wind. Niggas tryna know my business, whipping whiskey in the kitchen, breaking bread like a lich. They told me, baby, don't get stuck up on that lean. Been working hard on my soul, I'm tryna give you everything you need. Got them relapsing every time I drop. They all a bunch of fiends, dream chasing check. Started seeing on that green. Been trapping since summer, me and my niggas. Yeah, we all a team. I wear it on me like designer. Niggas chasing on that cream. Water dripping, niggas washed up. Yeah, I seen it, shit is seen. Struggling paper, cutting fix. Ain't no coming in between. Young niggas in the trenches, trapping summer to the wind. Niggas tryna know my business, whipping whiskey in the kitchen, breaking bread like a lich, breaking bread like a lich. Young niggas in the trenches, trapping summer to the wind. Niggas tryna know my business, whipping whiskey in the kitchen, breaking bread like a lich. Young niggas in the trenches, trapping summer to the wind. Niggas tryna know my business, whipping whiskey in the kitchen, breaking bread like a lich, breaking bread like a lich. Young niggas in the trenches, trapping summer to the wind. Niggas tryna know my business, whipping whiskey in the kitchen, breaking bread like a lich. I be in plain sight, cause I do it for us. My circle is smaller to die. I became one of my artists, to playing in my part. Be faced up with a lot of doubt. Even in the midst of the crowd, I stand out. Yeah, you heard me on both sides. Yeah, I'm panned out. Yeah, I told you niggas that I stand out. Cause I be on plain sight. Cause I be on plain sight. Cause I be on plain sight. Yeah, I be on plain sight. Cause I do it for us. My circle is smaller to die. I became one of my artists, to playing in my part. Be faced up with a lot of doubt. Yeah, I learned as much as I can. I hear a lot of suburban kids make a lot of noise. Yeah, I ain't dropped yet, but these kids know I got the sauce. Making up for all the time that I lost. Working my part, playing in the small. Watch me, I'm turning the clock. I do it for the trenches, hope y'all hear me out. These verses been changing lives, and you boys better pay attention. Keep them out of plan. I'll probably have time, so I'm less conscious of it. This is super real, hope you get the message. Got them looking for more, I put it on my last verse. Make a mark or die, trying to get involved. It's a lesson that I haven't learned. I be out here trying to set a tone. Cause I be on plain sight. Cause I be on plain sight. Yeah, I be on plain sight. Cause I do it for us. My circle is smaller to die. I became one of my artists, to playing in my part. Be faced up with a lot of doubt. Cause I be on plain sight. Cause I be on plain sight. Yeah, I be on plain sight.
So here's what the final product's supposed to look like. I would love to see what you guys do, and thank you for using the pattern. Thank you for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe, share with someone who you know might be into it, and I'll see you next time. Happy sewing. Peace.
Whiskey in the kitchen, breaking bread like religion, breaking bread like a lich. Young niggas in the trenches, trapping summer to the winter. Niggas tryna know my business, whipping whiskey in the kitchen, breaking bread like a lich. I talk so proud, they thought I grew up in the States. They say I couldn't make it, I showed them it was fate. Early mornings, I just wake up and I